You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, originally from Latin. If you want to learn more expressions from Latin, more vocabulary, stay tuned. It's generally pronounced in English as laude, although it can also be pronounced as laude. Now, the Latin pronunciation is as laude, laude, as in cum laude in English, therefore it's generally pronounced as laude. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.